Welcome everyone, Dr. Thor here again, and guess what? Another Christopher Hill Supersonics tool. Fundamental Ray Disc, 1975, University of Trees. Now this is a fundamental ray disc. Now this is the different rays, and this was popular in the 70s and even back, I believe, to the 30s, of what kind of rays are you taking in or need to reach higher levels of consciousness and to stay in a healthy reality. Now, let's see if we can get in here to look at these things. And there's different rays. Here we go to show different minerals. So this is, again, this is a pendulum chart, basically, people, like all of his stuff. And very big into pendulums. And it shows all the minerals here, and there's fluoride, boron, all sorts of things. And you can also check the rays in terms of what are you missing. Here's some other, you can see these. So you would pretty much hold your pendulum in the center here and ask what you needed to put it quick, simple, and down and dirty. But again, this is one of his better boards, but it's not sealed in a frame. It's just on a piece of wood like this. It's just glued on there. And this is very typical of how he made most of his stuff. Some were fancier than others. Here's a more detailed instructions, which I'm not going to bore people with. These kind of things will be covered in depth in our Patreon and all access pages for people that we want to go into more details. But this is a part of history, people. This is a very rare item to find. The Fundamental Ray Disc from Christopher Hill's University of the Trees. And you can figure out their different rays, and as I said, so many minerals you may be lacking or not. So these are very powerful tools if used correctly. And they're generally very simple to use. You do need skill with a pendulum to work these, though. So it is a problem, or you're going to have to find somebody that does. Hope you enjoyed this. Watch for our many more to come, and make sure you support us in our important work. We're the only ones showing you stuff like this and so many other similar items.